I'm really excited to show you some insights of the Brazilian car culture.
Miss Sparkly, she loves signing autographs.
So one thing that is actually really insane here in São Paulo is the traffic. We drove 2 hours for 21 kilometers, but you pay only 20 euros for a 2-hour Uber drive. I have Bremy with me.
Hi.
Hi. So we are back at Shibuya Garage. I've been here last year and we started here today with the pre-party again. I'm really excited to show you some insights of the Brazilian car culture. As you can tell, the cars are different. The vibe is different than in Europe or America, and it's really wholesome to see. Habibi.
Checkst du?
Check ich.
Checkst du, Digga?
Checkst du, Digga?
Oh, that was good. That was really good.
You're a real German now. Now try your Portuguese. What's a safado?
That's a really good one.
What's a safado?
We are in Brazil, baby. Right now we had really good steak. We were very hungry and there was no barbecue at Shibuya, so we had to get some meat and some beer. I just wanted a small beer and they gave me a small beer and a big bottle in like a cooler. I'm used to get it like from wine, but I mean, I'm just so happy right now. Oh my god!
O vento tá pra cá. Fala que o vento tá contra.
There's literally a hole.
Na verdade, esse Corsa é 1.0. Ele, tipo, os fogos quando soltava era, tipo, pequenininho. E aí, numa brincadeira, um amigo meu falou pra duvidar soltar uns fogos grandes. E aí, como eu tenho oficina autoelétrica, eu falei, não, vou tentar inventar alguma coisa. E aí, meio que eu uso um módulo para regular os pulsos dos bicos e 3 bombas auxiliares. E nisso, eu corto a ignição do carro. Quando eu corto a ignição do carro, ele automaticamente injeta muito combustível que não queima na câmara de combustão e ele vem pelo escape. E nisso tem uma vela no escapamento que faz acionar todo o combustível que não foi queimado no motor. Tipo, esse é basicamente o funcionamento, porque sai tanto fogo.
That's wild.
This or this?
This one.
Yeah.
That looks crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so it's gonna change.
Damn.
Wait.
We are now at the car meet at the gas station. That's like my first photograph, and then they came like, "Can I have an autograph? Can I have an autograph?" Am I famous now? Favorite car tonight?
Well, considering there is a lot of cars today, it's going to be a hard decision, but
You have to.
probably the boomstick.
What?
Probably that whatever car was shooting the big ass flame. The boomstick car? The Chevy Coral, whatever it's called. The Chevy Boomstick.
That was good.
It's very good.
Send me that.
It's very good.
Fucking hell.
Oh wait, we gotta jump, we gotta jump, we gotta jump! Good B-roll.
Day one at Autoconcept BR. This is a beautiful venue. It's here at the lakeside. It's beautiful. There are so many people, so many cars. It has a real festival feeling. And it's super fucking hot.
Caxinguele, Maracajá, voo de mate, tapere, saci, perere, boitatá. Quando os bichos de série saírem de dentro da mata fechada, se ouviram gritos da noite, estalo de açoite pela madrugada. De sabia, sabe, Caxinguele, Maracajá, voo de mate, tapere, saci, perere, boitatá.
Remy, woher hast du die Kokosnuss?
Vom Kokosnussbaum. Taste test.
So you want everything?
Soft, juicy, fettig. Der Salat fehlt, Tomaten fehlen, aber auch geil.
Das ist richtig zerfahren.
Davon schrumpft der Bizeps.
Im Salat.
Also, Ronja hat mir jetzt die Macht über ihr Osmo gegeben. Ob sie passt oder nicht, ich werde jetzt einfach ein bisschen was finden. The master himself, Larry Chen. Any wishes to Ronnie?
Miss Sparkly. She loves signing autographs. You know, there's gonna be a huge line to get her autograph, and I cannot wait to get an autograph.
Ah, look at this. Hey. Also Ronny, wie du siehst, die lieben dich alle wahnsinnig. Falls du es sehen solltest, Es tut mir leid, dass ich den Sprecher voll gemacht habe.
Hello, welcome to day 2 at Autoconcept BR. We are now walking around the international press and we are the judges for the car rating. We are searching for the top 10 cars around. And I have to say, it's gonna be a hard decision.
Solo con usted, yo bailo con usted, nada más con usted, un beso donde esté, no te puedo borrar, tú me enseñaste a querer,
Look at them one-piece deep dish Beanos. Damn. Look at the tiny wheel too.
Mi diablo me llama el mil loquito, mi diablo me llama el mil loquito.
Oh mein Gott, Ronny-Sito ist da. Ronny-Sita, hey, Star, Mamacita, Star. Oipa, was ist das? The Best of Show, São Paulo, Brasil, 2025. Autoconcept.
Hab ich voll abgestimmt.
Ach, stimmt wirklich, Alter, guck mal.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for having me. This is an incredible event. This is my first time to Brazil. I've always wanted to come here and shoot the car culture here because the fans here, so many people have been telling me to come here to check it out in person for so many years, and I'm so glad I did. Because
so we would like to thank you very much for all the help with everybody, logistically, and to keep pretty much out in order, and to tell off all of these guys, which is very difficult for me because they're my friends.
So, thank you for all being here. The winner of this show is the Subaru Legacy. The event is over and it was really nice. We are parking the cars now here next to the lake to get some sunset shots. Also, they named this drink after me at the bar. It's so sweet. Maybe because I'm an alcoholic, but maybe it's just my color. Maybe because they like me. I don't know.
Into Marvel Iron Man, then you guys can see the suit, so we can just run down. This one is Tony Stark got his brand new heart. He had this suit, so this is the brand new heart, the reactor. Then Avengers, Iron Man, and then I'm not too sure if this one's from the Infinity comic or it's the Mark II that he gave Rhodey, but still crazy as fuck. And then Endgame, right? Can't go wrong with Endgame. But the craziest thing about this place is that it's movie accurate. So you got like the actual like light beams that he actually holds it in. He has like a whole freaking wall of this shit, right? But I mean like, bro, you get 4 freaking suits. That's crazy. R8 right here. You guys know this is his car, Tony Stark's car. It's crazy that it's in here right next to the suits. If you actually walk over here too, you see the mark, the most famous Iron Man helmet, famous mark. Then you have the, I forget which mark it is. I think it's 47, but it's the one where he can like attach the suit from like far away and shit. It's nuts as fuck. And this right here is a little Easter egg. If you guys like pay attention in the movie, there's a scene where Pepper comes down and he's like working on his shit, and she's like, "You don't do nothing but freaking nah, nah, nah." And this is the actual freaking like layout. See that this is the actual layout for that here. Same door, same glass.
Yeah.
You got the workstation. You don't have the full circle table, but you got half of it, and it's like brushed steel like his. And you got Jarvis. You have Jarvis.
What is this?
It's crazy. Jarvis is Tony Stark's AI, aka his helper. He pretty much builds all the suits for him and like helps him and shit. That's where I can put it. That's where I can put it. But in the movie, Jarvis is just an AI voice, and he controls himself with a robot.
All for the content.
So we are having the last evening here in São Paulo, in this beautiful bar. I'm not sure if you can see, but here are like these all the soccer club. I don't know. Vereinsschale. Schale? Schale? Schals? Scarf. Yeah. Enjoy. Bon appetit.